please click the subscribe button to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button to never miss any updates on my channel Shweta's Beauty Vanity. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel Shweta's Beauty Vanity. Hope all are having amazing time. In this video I'm going to share one more Durga Puja Navaratri look, and in this video I'm going to collaborate with Debadrita, who is creating a Durga Puja look too. Please do check her channel from my description box below. As you guys know, I'm creating few more Durga Puja Navaratri looks on my Instagram and Facebook page. So if you are not following me there, please do follow. The links will be available in the description box below. Now without wasting much time here, let's get started with the video.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna try, but you never do. you never do. Sugar, there's a